Welcome, in front of me is an ALCATEL 1S, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this phone. And to get started, you simply want to open up the content that you wish to capture. I'll be using settings as an example for this. And once it's open and visible on the screen, simply press power key and volume down at the same time. Just a simple click. As you can see, we'll get this image right here. That is basically the animation for the screenshot. Now, the first time you do it, this will stay here for basically till the moment you interact with it. Touch to view and edit it. So you can got it. Then I have touch to start scrolling and also share. So as you can see, there's three options, and going to the scrollable option, which is the first option right here. What this allows you to do is if you have a content that can be scrolled down or up, just let this disappear. You can see settings is a good example for this. So if you have one like that, you can capture your screenshot and then select scrollable, and this will start scrolling it down. Now it looks like we can here tap on the screen to stop it from scrolling, and we can do it ourselves manually. So if you want to go precisely somewhere down, you can stop at any moment, click on done, and as you can see, it captures a long screenshot. Once you tap on a check mark right here, this will save it to the gallery. So let's open up our gallery, and in here we should have two screenshots. So we have the scrollable one. As you can see, it is longer, it also has black borders, and then the normal one. So that is how you can capture screenshots on this device. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.